Oh, it's a grinder. Never mind. I thought it was Oreos.
Next post. What the fuck is this? I made a bot that drew NMP as Malena using Twitch emotes. Zoom in to see the emotes.
Oh my god.
What if you zoom in and it's just like dicks?
That's cool.
Okay.
Oh my
Wait,
god.
the render.
Oh my god.
Oh.
That one's like higher quality, isn't it?
Oh my god, zoom in on the nose. Go out. On the nose, the holes. What is in the nose holes?
Who's that?
Zoom out.
Who's this? Who is that, guys?
I think I know who it is, but I don't want to make a wrong assumption.
That's Rubius?
What, with the blonde hair? Zoom in on the nose holes, Nick. Oh god. Okay. How about the eyes? What is in the There's no emotes there. Oh shit.
Wait, maybe there's an emote that is that.
What is their chair?
Does anyone just have a black emote?
I'm sure it exists.
Someone type something black in the chat real quick. Oh, there's one. There's one right there. Oh, it's Nims. It's a black. It's just black.
I've had emotes that when I didn't know what to put there, they were just like blocks of color.
Oh, people like colors. Next post.
Next post. Thank you. That's very pretty. Love it. I hope you didn't do this by hand.
He did. He made a bot. Same energy.